Hello students, now in this session I will explain question number 8 and 9 of exercise 11.2. Now as you see, this figure is already given in the question. This is a trapezium shape. Now let me just read out the question. Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. This is a trapezium shaped field, and its sides along the river. Now this is a side which is along the river. See, I have written river also. So this is a side along the river, is parallel to twice the side of the roadside. Okay, so that is, this side is twice the side of the side which is along the roadside. Okay, now we are not aware of these two sides, that is the side which is along the river and also the side which is along the road. These two parallel sides are unknown to us. So what is the relation that has been shown? That is, the side which is along the river is twice the side which is towards the roadside. Okay, now what I have done is that I have taken the side which is along the roadside as x. So automatically, according to the relation, the side which is along the river side would be double of this particular side, that is, it would be 2x. Okay, the height is already mentioned, that is 100 meter. Okay, now as we have to find the dimensions of the parallel sides, so this figure is in the shape of a trapezium, so we have to find the area of this figure, as because the area is also mentioned in the question, that is, area of the trapezium is given 10500 meter square. Now since the area of the trapezium field is given, now we'll compare this value with the formula. Now what is the area of trapezium field formula? Half into a plus b into height. Now a plus b is the parallel sides. Okay, so I have considered this as a and this as b. Okay, so I have written also a and b. Okay, now what is the measurement of a? A is x, and what is b? B is 2x. Okay, and height is already given, that is 100 meter, isn't it? Now in place of 100 I have written 100 meter, and that would be equals to 10500. Now we'll solve the bracket, that is x plus 2x is what? 3x by 2 into 100. Now let us just reduce this 2 and 100, that is 2 ones are 2 and 2 50s are 100. That would be equals to 10500, and 550 into 3, it will come 150x equals to 10500. Finally, we have to transpose this 150 towards right hand side, that is 10500 divided by 50. Once you will reduce it, you will get the value of x as 70 meter. Now what is x? X is the parallel side along the road. Okay, that is 70 meter, and the side along the river is what? 2 into 70, that is, it was 2x, isn't it? So 2x means 2 into 70, so it is 140. So the required dimension of the side along the road is 70 meter, and the side along the river is 140 meter. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 8. Now let's move on to question number 9. Now, question number 9 is a regular octagon. Regular octagon means all the sides are equal. And why octagon? Because this particular figure is carrying 8 sides. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so this is a 8-sided figure, and that is the reason it is called octagon. Now according to the figure, these all measurements are given. See, this measurement is given 4, this measurement is given 11, and all the sides is given 5. That is, if this is 5, then all the side will measure 555 meter. Okay, now we have to get the area of this entire figure. Now what I have done is that I have divided this entire figure into 3 groups, that is A, B and C. Now just by drawing, this line is already given in the question, I have drawn another line. Okay, and I have drawn this height also. So in this way you see that the topmost figure is looking like a trapezium, the middle one is looking like a rectangle, and the lower part is again looking like a trapezium. So one by one we'll get the area. So you see, I have written area of A, that means this part. Okay, so it is looking like a trapezium, so we'll get the area of trapezium. So I've written area of trapezium. So what is the formula of area of trapezium? Half into a plus b into height. Okay, so these are the parallel sides, so I've considered this as a and the bigger side as b. Okay, so what is the value of a given? 5. So you see, I have written, okay, I have considered this as a and this as b. So anything you can consider, no problem. So in place of a, I have written 11 and b is 5. Like this. Height is already given 4. Okay, so after reducing, you will get the answer as 32 meters square. That is 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 11 plus 5 is 16, 16 twos are 32 meters square. Fine. Now we'll get the area of this middle portion. Now this middle portion is looking like what? Rectangle. Now see, area of B. Now this area of B would be equals to what? Area of a rectangle, as the shape is a rectangle. So what is the formula of a rectangle? Length into breadth. So what is length? Length is 11, and what is breadth? It is 5. So 11 into 5 is 55 meter square. So this is the area of the middle portion. Now let's get the area of the lower portion. Now what is lower portion? It is again looking like a trapezium. So these are the two parallel sides. One is 5 meter, another is 11 meter. And what is the distance between these two parallel sides? That is the height is 4 meter. Okay, absolutely similar to the first one. So area of C is again area of trapezium. Now we'll write the formula: half into A plus B into height. Now half into, I have considered this side as A and this side is B this time. So in place of A, I have written 5 plus B, in place of B I have written 11, and H is height. So I have reduced this, 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So 5 plus 11 is 16. 16 into 2 is, again I am getting the same answer as 32 meters square. So if I have to get the area of the whole figure, then I have to sum up the areas of all the individual groups. That is area of A, area of B and area of C. If you add up all the areas, then you will get the area of the whole figure. This is what I have done. So area of whole figure is what? Area of A is what? 32 meters square. Now what is area of B? Area of B is 55 meters square. And what is area of C? Area of C is again 32 meters square, isn't it? Now if you add this all, you will get the answer as 119 meters square. Fine. So this is the solution of question number 9. Thank you boys. Stay blessed and God bless you all.